Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Calcium oxide, commonly called quicklime, is a white alkaline solid produced when calcium carbonate is thermally decomposed at roughly 900–1000 degrees C. The chemical change releases CO2 and leaves Ka. It is widely used in cement manufacture, steel making, soil pH adjustment, and chemical synthesis as a drying agent or base. The compound is distinct from hydrated lime, which is calcium hydroxide. Adding water to Ka yields Ka(O)2 and generates heat. Understanding these properties clarifies uses and risks without offering stepwise synthesis. Quicklime is hazardous. It reacts vigorously with water to form calcium hydroxide and generates significant heat, sometimes producing localized temperatures above 100 degrees C during hydration. Inhalation of dust can damage respiratory tissue. Skin or eye contact can cause severe chemical burns and permanent injury. For any handling, use appropriate personal protective equipment. Chemical-resistant gloves, goggles or face shield, long sleeves, and a NIOSH-approved respirator for particulate exposure. Ensure local exhaust ventilation, emergency eye wash and shower access, and strict controls to prevent moisture contact and uncontrolled reactions. Rather than attempting home production, purchase technical-grade calcium oxide from reputable chemical suppliers who provide certificates of analysis and safety data sheets. For storage, keep Ka in airtight, moisture-free containers below 25 degrees C, sealed with desiccant if needed, and isolate it from acids, organics, and water sources. Use appropriate secondary containment and label containers clearly. For disposal, follow local hazardous waste regulations and consult a licensed hazardous waste service. When in doubt, seek guidance from trained professionals or institutions with proper ventilation, kilns, and permits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.